Silent, swift, and mass-produced, the future of the skies is being forged in the heart of the world's largest drone complex. From swarming intelligence to strategic endurance, witness the industrial evolution of unmanned flight.
In this facility, thousands of advanced aerial systems are born every day through a fusion of AI and automated might. Welcome to the epicenter of unmanned aerospace manufacturing. I'm here to show you how we turn raw carbon and titanium into the world's most advanced drone fleet.
The journey begins with carbon, the lightweight DNA of every modern aerospace structure. Refining at the molecular level ensures that the resulting composite materials meet extreme aerospace tolerances. Titanium components provide the structural skeleton capable of withstanding the G-forces of high-speed maneuvers. High-tensile carbon fiber is the secret to endurance, offering maximum strength with minimal weight. The elements are ready. Now, they enter the world's most secretive production line to be transformed into flight. In the world of aerospace, even a speck of dust is a threat. Logistics must be as clean as the flight itself. Every gram of material is digitally fingerprinted, ensuring total traceability from the mine to the mission.
Scan complete. Forwarding to conveyor.
The drone's brain is a masterpiece of microelectronics, transported in an environment that defies the elements.
Each component here is assigned a unique digital ID before it ever reaches the assembly line. This level of control is what allows us to produce thousands of drones with zero margin for error. Vibration-sensitive technology is moved with surgical care, ensuring every sensor arrives in factory-perfect condition.
Okay, tolerances are holding, calipers out, 0.301 millimeters, confirmed.
All clear. Signal the tugger.
Every transition is a purification, preparing the raw elements for their transformation into wings. The logistics are complete. The facility is primed. The mass production of the world's largest drone fleet is now in motion. Protection of intellectual property is the first line of defense in the race for aerial supremacy. Every entry is a digital filter, ensuring that only verified components and personnel enter the forge.
Security here is invisible but absolute. Our biometric protocols ensure that the world's most advanced drone blueprints stay within these walls. Initiating digital handshake.
Encryption is the key to the factory floor, preventing any unauthorized interference with the automated workflow. The facility is a living organism, monitored by an AI that never sleeps and never misses a detail. Each zone is isolated, creating a controlled environment for the most sensitive manufacturing stages. In the world of microelectronics and stealth composites, a single dust particle is a catastrophic failure. Constant surveillance ensures the integrity of the process, from the smallest bolt to the largest airframe.
The gates are open. Now, we enter the heart of the machine, where steel and carbon become flight.
Strength is born under pressure, forging the structural spine that will carry the drone through high-G maneuvers. Precision at the speed of light, laser cutting ensures that every panel fits the airframe with zero aerodynamic drag. Every micron counts when housing the sensors that will be the drone's eyes in the sky.
We use cold cutting technology for titanium to preserve its molecular integrity. By avoiding heat during the cut, we ensure the metal remains as strong as the day it was forged. Controlled thermal cycles ensure that the drone's legs are resilient enough for thousands of rugged landings. Efficiency is a priority, turning every square inch of high-cost material into a functional part of the machine. And now, this bracket is ready for the scanner.
Human craftsmanship provides the final touch, refining the work of the machines for peak aerodynamic performance. Surface preparation is the key to a permanent bond, ensuring the drone stays together in the harshest environments. The pieces are carved, the skeleton is ready. Now, we begin the assembly of a new aerial titan. The skeleton is unified, creating a rigid platform capable of carrying mission-critical payloads through extreme turbulence. Mechanical and chemical bonds work in unison to ensure the airframe is as strong as a single piece of stone.
This internal honeycomb structure allows for maximum internal volume while maintaining extreme stealth geometry. By optimizing the internal architecture, we create a machine that is both lightweight and incredibly durable. Advanced curing technology allows for rapid assembly without compromising the molecular strength of the composite bond. Torque is good, moving to the next bolt. Copy that, mount is clean, signal the lifter.
Every connection point is a critical link, engineered to survive the most punishing carrier deck landings.
Compartmentalization is key to survival, protecting the ship's digital brain from the heat of its own heart. The forge is complete. The heat and pressure have transformed separate parts into a singular flight-ready shell. Aerodynamic stability begins on the ground, ensuring the drone is perfectly balanced for its first ascent. The body is built. Now, we breathe intelligence into the machine with its digital nervous system. The brain of the drone is a masterpiece of miniaturization, capable of trillions of operations per second in the heat of battle. Digital vision is integrated, granting the system the ability to map the battlefield with millimetric accuracy from miles away.
Our drones stay connected anywhere on Earth via high-bandwidth encrypted satellite links. Uninterrupted communication is the lifeline of unmanned systems, protected by the latest in quantum encryption.
Stability is born in the microscale, where every sensor is calibrated to feel the slightest change in air pressure. Miles of shielded cabling form the ship's nervous system, carrying power and commands with zero latency. The eyes of the Titan are calibrated, capable of identifying targets in total darkness or through the thickest fog.
Connection established. Initiating ATEL sequence.
Copy. Monitoring response. Excellent. Systems online, full synchronization.
Confirmed. Test successful.
Okay, installing the jamming antennas now.
Roger that. White ceramic coating active.
Securing with the anti-vibration bolt. Offensive and defensive capabilities integrated. Initiating global link test.
Drones responding. Link established.
The machine is now self-aware, its mind is sharp, and its senses are calibrated for the final forge of automation. Phase 7 is online.
Automation at this scale eliminates human error, creating a structural bond that is consistent across thousands of units. We reach the unreachable, ensuring that every internal component is shielded from the extreme heat of the jet core.
This robot can lay down miles of carbon fiber every hour with sub-millimeter precision. Advanced robotics allow us to build complex aerodynamic shapes that were once thought impossible.
Solid-state welding creates a molecular bond, ensuring the wings can survive the most violent combat maneuvers. Total precision in every fastener ensures that the stealth skin remains perfectly flush against the airframe. Robotic trimming defines the geometry of speed, carving the air-cutting edges of the drone's silhouette. Even the hidden interiors are guarded by automation, ensuring the vessel is leak-proof and mission-ready. Complex assemblies are unified through robotic collaboration, fusing power with the art of invisibility. The structure is finalized. The machine is whole. Now, it must be hidden from the eyes of the world. Perfection begins with the base layer, creating a molecularly smooth surface for the advanced coatings to follow. Stealth is not just a shape, it is a specialized skin that turns a massive machine into a ghost on the screen.
This coating can absorb up to 90% of radar energy, making the drone virtually invisible to long-range sensors. Our finishing process is what separates a standard aircraft from a true stealth predator. Thermal management is vital. We mask the heat signature to ensure the drone remains hidden from heat-seeking threats.
We refine the surface at the micron level, ensuring the airframe is aerodynamically and electromagnetically perfect. Every unit is marked for duty, receiving its digital identity before it leaves the cradle of the factory. Human verification ensures the machines have done their job, guaranteeing the skin remains intact during high-speed flight. The eyes are shielded, maintaining total electronic silence while the drone watches the world.
The transformation is complete. The raw materials are now ghosts of the sky, ready for the ultimate trial.
In this room of silence, we prove the drone is a ghost, invisible to the most advanced electronic eyes. From the frozen heights of the Himalayas to the desert heat, we ensure the machine never falters. We push the structure to its breaking point on the ground, so it never reaches it in the air.
Our AI flight brains are subjected to millions of combat scenarios before their first real takeoff. The digital heart must be as resilient as the physical body, maintaining control through the chaos of electronic warfare.
A fortress of copper and code, the drone's nervous system is hardened against the weapons of the future. The heart is tested under maximum load, ensuring every ounce of thrust is available when the mission demands it. Every drop of fuel is a lifeline. We guarantee that not a single gram is wasted or lost to the environment. We harness the power of nature to prove that our shields are impenetrable, even in the heart of a storm. Tested, proven, ready. The transition from machine to weapon of the skies is now complete.
Tactical surface sweep initiated. Facets within 0.05 millimeter tolerance. In the final hour, perfection is the only standard for a machine that must remain invisible to the world. Every unit is encased in a protective cocoon, ensuring it arrives at the front line in factory-perfect condition.
The encrypted keys and flight logs. Guard them with your life.
Understood. The defenders are ready.
The digital keys to the fleet are transferred, passing control from the builders to the defenders. The final journey begins, moving from the silence of the factory to the vastness of the sky. From the forge to the front line, the cycle of defense remains unbreakable and absolute.
And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems from start to finish.
Building the future of the skies, one wing, one sensor, one ghost at a time.